AWS Well Architected Framework is a collection of best practices that allow customers to evaluate and improve the design, implementation, and operations of their workloads in the cloud. There are six pillars of this framework: operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization, and sustainability. In 2012, the first version of this framework was published, leading to the 2015 release of the Guidance White Paper. Then AWS added the Operational Excellence pillar in 2016. The pillar-specific white papers and AWS well-architected lenses were released in 2017, and then the following year, in 2018, the AWS well-architected tool was launched. In 2020, the content for the well-architected framework received a major update, as well as more lenses and API integration with the AWS well-architected tool. The sixth pillar, sustainability, was added in 2021. In 2022, dedicated pages were introduced for each consolidated best practice across all six pillars, with several best practices updated with improved perspective guidance. Now, in 2023, just yesterday, AWS has released some major updates to all these six pillars. For instance, the operational excellence pillar has a new best practice on enabling support plans for production workloads. This pillar also has a major update on defining a customer communication plan for outages. In the security pillar, AWS has added a new best practice area, application security or AppSec. AppSec is complete with 8 new best practices to guide customers as they develop, test, and release software, providing guidance on how to consider the tools, testing, and organizational approach used to develop the software. Then, in the reliability pillar, there is also a new best practices on architecting workloads to meet availability targets and uptime service level agreements. AWS has also added the resilience shared responsibility model to its introduction section. In the cost optimization pillar, there is a new best practice on automating operations as part of cost optimization efforts and enforcing data retention policies. And then in the sustainability pillar, AWS has introduced a clear process for selecting regions as well as tools for right sizing services and improving the overall utilization of resources in AWS cloud. Updates in this release are also available in AWS Well Architected tools, which can be used to review your workloads, address important design considerations, and help ensure that you follow the best practice and guidance of the AWS Well Architected framework. If you haven't started using Well Architected tool and Well Architected framework, I would highly suggest you start doing it as part of your cloud operations. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them down below the video. Thanks.